equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the P137G001. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The P137G001 often experiences screen issues such as cracks or unresponsiveness due to accidental drops or pressure. If left unrepaired, this can lead to further damage and hinder your ability to use the device effectively. To carry out the repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement screen. Begin by ensuring the device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the laptop casing, taking care not to damage the clips. Once open, locate the screen assembly, which is typically secured by screws along the edges. Remove these screws using the Phillips screwdriver, and gently disconnect the video cable attached to the back of the screen. Carefully lift the old screen away from the casing and replace it with the new one, ensuring the video cable is securely connected. Reattach the screws, applying gentle pressure to avoid stripping them. As you reassemble the device, ensure all clips are aligned properly to avoid any gaps. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent future screen damage, consider using a protective case and being mindful of where you place your laptop. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.